Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best nail guns in 2020. To see the price and more information about these nail guns, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5. We have the NuMax SFR2190 Lightweight Nail Gun. The NuMax SFR2190 Lightweight Nail Gun is a full-rounded framing nailer that provides cost-effective speed and power for handling any project involving framing, some floors, decking, and fencing. It features an anti-dry fire mechanism, finger depth adjustment, and a single trigger, all housed in a die-cast aluminum construction. It combines affordable pricing with high-quality products for the ultimate value in a tool. Also, it offers a black oxide aluminum magazine for durability over repetitive use, and die-cast aluminum construction with an aluminum cylinder for lightweight durability. Besides, it provides an anti-dust cap to keep internal components dust and debris-free. This framing nailer features depth adjustment and a NuMax tip, making it adaptable for different working surfaces. It has a comfort grip handle for increased control during longer jobs, and a 360-degree adjustable exhaust direct air away from your face. At number 4. We have the Freeman P4 FRF NCB Nail Gun. The Freeman P4 FRF NCB nail gun offers an anodized aluminum magazine and cylinder for lighter weight and added life expectancy. It has a 360-degree tool-free adjustable exhaust that allows flexibility to redirect exhaust to a convenient place. It comes with a tool-free quick jam release to efficiently address nail jams and get back to work, and offers an anti-dust cap to keep internal components dust and debris-free. It uses magnesium construction and is a lightweight tool that is great for extended use. Also, it has a removable NuMax tip to prevent work surface damage. You can use the single and sequential firing triggers for firing versatility. The 34-degree angle of the magazine makes it easy to access corners or tight spaces, and the dual mode trigger allows you to switch between sequential or bump firing easily. At number 3. We have the Ryobi Airstrike Brad Nailer Kit. The Ryobi Airstrike Brad Nailer Kit features an airstrike technology, which eliminates the need for noisy compressors, bulky hoses, or expensive gas cartridges. It has a selectable drive shift with a single sequential or contact actuation, and uses a unique sequential mode for precision placement. Its contact actuated mode allows you to drive up to 60 nails per minute. This nail gun uses a P117 charger that can handle Ryobi 18-volt batteries, working with both the lithium-ion and nickel models. Plus, its IntelliPort technology knows when a battery is fully charged, so it can turn the unit off and save you power. Belt hook mounts to the right or left side for added convenience. On the other hand, it comes with a low nail indicator to quickly and easily see when it is time to reload. At number 2. We have the Dewalt DC618K Cordless Nailer Kit. The Dewalt DC618K Cordless Nailer Kit comes with an engine design that allows the tool work as fast as you do, with consistent nail penetration into both soft and hard joints. It can drive 16-gauge nails from 1 to 1/4 to 2 to 1/2 inches in length, as rapidly as 5 nails per second. It offers a 6-position dial that enables you to move between applications without having to reacquire an exact depth setting. Also, at just 8.5 pounds, this tool is lightweight for easy maneuvering and reduce operator fatigue. It includes integrated LED lights for perfect placement in low-lit or shadowy areas, and it comes with 118-volt XRP battery and a 1-hour charger. The contact trip lock-off allows the trigger to be disabled when not in use. Moreover, the top cap is impact-resistant and easy to remove from troubleshooting. Lastly, at number 1, we have the PORTERCABLE Cordless Brad Nailer Kit. The PORTERCABLE Cordless Brad Nailer Kit is a battery-powered nail gun that eliminates the need for a compressor, hose, or expensive gas cartridges. It comes with a unique motor design that provides consistent firing power into various materials and climate conditions. Also, it features multiple tool-free settings to offer increased productivity and user safety. It comes with a lightweight and optimal center of gravity that provides for user comfort in various positions, reducing user fatigue. It also offers multifunctional dual LED lights to light up your workspace and indicate errors. Another advantage is that this nailer features multiple tool-free settings to provide increased productivity and safety. However, its special motor design provides consistent firing into various materials and climate conditions. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.